So, this video covers day 3, 4, and 5, basically week 1, since I already recorded Monday and Tuesday, and yeah, those were crash out days.
Oh my god, bro, I suck ass.
After that, I decided to actually slow down, think, and stop trading like a degenerate gambler. After my crash out session earlier in the week, I finally decided to apply volume profile properly. I identified my value area high, point of control, and value area low. But instead of drawing everything on the chart, I memorized the levels and focused on the eternal volume profile and volume delta to read price action more clearly. Now, my final confirmation was one thing I haven't talked about yet. Absorption. Absorption is basically when buyers or sellers step in aggressively and absorb price. What most people would casually call resistance or support, but with actual volume behind it. Once price broke the value area low, I waited for a retracement. At that point, I was looking for either a failed auction or clear absorption instead of guessing. Price never fully tapped back into value, so I thought that it would need to respect the area for a reversal. So I placed a sell limit at the retracement into value, stop loss above, and TP back into value area. Not gonna lie, I panicked a little.
Flashback.
So at this point, I got a little tilted and won like 3 times. It's safe to say what happens to those. Just watching it move so slowly, but once price smashed through my TP for a 1 to 3 risk reward, I genuinely felt like a trader instead of a gambler. I tried placing a buy limit to scalp a little bit more, but like it never hit. It just consolidated back and forth continuously. So I just kind of canceled the order, hopped off with 125 in profit, and then when I woke up the next day, price absolutely exploded without me. After ending the previous day strong and bringing my account back to break even, I wanted to stay disciplined. I kept the same process, making internal confluences, value areas, and volume, and I came in with a bearish bias. I expected a failed auction below support, but because I don't have the package and I'm delayed by 10 minutes, since I'm flat broke, so I have a huge disadvantage. So instead, I had to predict a prediction and rely on limit orders. I placed a sell limit near value area high and waited, and also waited for the 7th time in a row. Eventually, I noticed price action was dying, no momentum, no push into my zone. That's when I scrapped the limit order idea and sold at market, keeping my original stop and target. I even adjusted my stop slightly, turning it into a 1-4 RR trade, but after waiting patiently, price finally ran and hit my TP for $170.50 profit, putting me green on the week by $78.75 total. After seeing how much price moved without me, I came in tilted even though I tried to follow my rules. I took a short when I honestly should have just scalped. The market created a failed auction, tapped into value, and then absolutely obliterated my stop loss. I lost $43.75, and of course, right after stopping me out, price reversed and dumped exactly where I expected. At that point, I was so tilted I decided to play Minecraft.
Bro, how do you build a house, bro?
Still, I stuck to my rule of 3 trades per day. I stopped trading, accepted the loss, and just called it. So yeah, that was it. I crashed out like 4 times and had only 2 good trades, which put me close to break even. I had a total of balance of $6.25. But yeah, that's honestly it. Thanks for watching, guys. I placed a sell limit near value area high and waited and sang my ABCs until my parents are dead.